Hi, this is Fern Arredondo, and I'm recording my video journal number 5 for my EDOL 721. Wow, this video, I love this video. It's not the first time that I've watched it. In fact, I actually have the author's book, Know Your Why. And every time I watch this video, it gives me a new insight, another level of understanding, because it's all about asking questions. And in this season, in watching this, what I've gained is my confirmation of the questions I ask in my own classroom for my introduction to business is just allowing my students to explore, allowing them to feel what they feel. And sometimes those feelings that the students feel is unknown to them. If they feel fear, they feel confused. I feel that some of the questions of probing makes them uncomfortable. And in listening to Simon Sinek, it's by design. It's by exploring and knowing the answers to these questions allow them to build more powerfully what their desire and their belief systems are. And what I appreciate about the video in this season of mine is, number one, understanding the science behind it. I just love it whenever I get to hear about how our brain works and how our body works, and putting those names and words so that I can continue to go research those topics. And what I've gained as a professional right now in listening to his video is I'm exactly where I need to be, which is in the freshman classroom with these young future business leaders. One of the things that I believe in is questions allow us to make a journey versus getting answers just leave us to a destination. So I feel that where I'm at today and the insights that I've gained in this video is really a confirmation where I need to be at in this profession. I went from the business world into the classroom, into academics, and oftentimes I feel that I'm not equipped. I feel that I have this gap of who I want to be, or the type of instructor I want to be, to where I am now. However, one of the belief systems that he talks about is know your why. And my why for what I'm doing right now, even though I feel uncomfortable, most of the time it is my first year of teaching as an instructor. However, it's a topic that I love. So there's some parts that come easy for me. There's some parts that comes a little bit more challenging. But one of the things for myself, asking those questions of why I believe what I believe. So I believe that there is so much talent and opportunity out in the world. My how is that I look for opportunities to equip and explore potentials and possibilities. And what I do is I'm in the classroom with these young Christian leaders, and I am inspired every day. There's days that are difficult to get up and speak what I'm feeling or what I believe in, because I'm still trying to clarify and put to words. I feel my emotions, but what Simon Sinek talks about is sometimes what you feel can't put into words. And in this season, listening to him say that resonated with me so much, because I feel all this passion and this driven purpose that I know when God called me to be in the classroom, that was where I was headed. However, there's this huge gap of, am I ready? But it's the journey that we go through to self-discovery. And it was a very enjoyable assignment to do. And I have so much to say in 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll leave with that my insight in gaining is to continue to ask questions and allow us to feel, have that emotion, and continue to work on specifically what it is that drives us, and finding the people that do believe in what we believe and doing it together. Thank you for listening.